Today, we are going to learn
Les articles.
in French. Articles are small words, but they're super important. You know the English word the, right? In French, we use these other words instead. These are called
Articles définis.
or definite articles in English. Let's see when and why we use each one of them.
Le
Is for masculine nouns. For example,
le livre. La
is for feminine nouns. For example,
la pomme.
the letter L with apostrophe is used when the noun starts with a vowel, like,
L'école.
and finally,
Les
is for plural nouns, like,
les amis.
easy, right? Now let's talk about the indefinite articles.
Les articles indéfinis.
These are a or some in English. And in French, we use different words depending on the gender and number of the noun. Let's take a deeper look.
Un
Is for masculine nouns, like,
un chien. Une
is for feminine nouns, like,
une fleur. Des
is used for plural nouns, like.
des livres.
Now that you know French articles, give a review to the chart.